Hello guys, welcome to the 20th session of Create Custom Alexa skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. Till now, we have simply generated the text message to our skill. In this section, we will use some directives to generate the rich response. In this session, we will see how to generate cards. That card will display on Echo device with a display as well as on your mobile application. Alexa supports two kinds of cards, simple card and standard card. Difference between those two cards is that the simple card contains only title and content, where standard card contains title, content, small image and large image. We will see both of them. For this, let us modify our skill. Here I am going to create new intent, so open the model. Add new intent with name generate card. It does not contain any slots. And also add some sample utterances such as generate card and display image. Let us open Lambda function. Create a new handler. In which we will perform the operation only for generate card intent. Let us create some constants for speech text. Title and content. Use response builder. Use with simple card method to generate simple card. This method will take title and content, format file, and add this handler in request handlers. Save Lambda function. Deploy skill as we have also modified interaction model. Let us test it in my Echo dot. The card will be displayed in the mobile application. Alexa, open the second demo.
Welcome to your first Alexa skill from version 2 SDK.
Generate card.
Here is your card.
Now let us modify Lambda to generate standard card, and it will contain an image. I have uploaded some images in Amazon's S3 bucket and create an array containing all images. The card can contain an only single image. So here we will obtain any random image from the array. Let us generate a random number to obtain any single image for every request. Use with standard card method to generate standard card. And pass same image URL for the small and large image. Save Lambda function. Deploy only Lambda. And test it in Echo. Alexa, open the second demo.
Welcome to your first Alexa skill from version 2 SDK.
Generate card.
Here is your card.
Let us try it one more time. Alexa, open the second demo.
Welcome to your first Alexa skill from version 2 SDK.
Display image.
Here is your card.
This time we got the different image. Now let us see what we have learned in this session. Here we have created a new intent and its handler. Use with simple card method to generate the card with the title and content. And use with standard card method to add an image to the card. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.